The reason that a group would have a bunch of sub coaches is because they're growing so fast that the main guy or whoever's in charge, man or woman, doesn't have the time to coach as many new people as they're adding to their coaching group. So they create these layers of sub coaches. And this happened to us in the first group we were in. We paid for what we thought was one-on-one coaching, right? Like if you want one-on-one coaching, you're going to pay anywhere between 30 to 60 grand, right? For your first year. That's just, it's the industry standard. You want somebody who's an expert. So we paid that, right? We paid 30 grand and thought we were getting one-on-one coaching. And we got one call with the main guy for like 15 minutes. And then we were handed off to a sub coach. And we just spun our wheels for 10 months because what we didn't know back then is you need access to your expert, right? Which is not your sub coach. You need that one-on-one attention. So not sub coaches. That'd be one of my biggest pieces of advice. If a group has a bunch of sub coaches, I would look elsewhere for sure.
No, that's great.